Okay, hey everybody. Michael Tucker here. Normally been talking a little bit about marketing and marketing operations through like Marketo user groups. We're doing Digital Marketing Charlotte, which is a group that we're starting basically that's just around people like yourselves that are in marketing and looking to be able to get in or move up or move beyond in your career and your career trajectory. And so the idea is to kind of connect with local marketers around this area in the greater Charlotte area, and also with other marketers and MarTech vendors and different all sorts of different elements that combine to create profitable marketing implementations, marketing technology implementations. So today, really happy to be joined for our upcoming session, just to talk briefly with Beth Magee. She is a senior marketing leader who has worked in a number of different high profile companies over the years. And Beth, you're going to be doing a session tomorrow when we're recording this, but we'll have it available for future aspiring marketing operations professionals to be able to use. And what is your talk about?
Yeah, so thanks for having me, Michael. I'm excited to meet everyone in person and virtually tomorrow. We are going to be digging in on all things related to building a campaign. I'm realizing that this is not something I learned in college. I don't think many other people are learning in college. And if you don't have a manager that knows the ins and outs of campaign planning and structure, you're not going to learn it on the job. So let's learn it tomorrow. So we're going to dig in on campaign structure, how to choose the right channels, how to set goals, how to communicate those goals, and how to report, among many other things. So we're going to share some real live tips and tricks that you can take back to the office or your virtual office. And we've got some fun tools planned to send afterwards to help you assess your campaign strategy maturity and help you get started. So join us virtually or in person, and be sure to bring questions because it's going to be a very interactive session.
That's great. Thank you so much, Beth. So, just if you're interested in attending, couple of things here, right? This is for people at all levels of a marketing organization. You don't have to be a vice president or a CMO to be able to attend this, right? It's for people also that are looking to get into this line of work as well too, and kind of get an understanding, right?
Yeah, I think that's a great way to describe it. So any and all levels, and I've I've met people that are very senior in their careers and do not understand this topic, and so everyone will be starting on the same playing field.
Great, great. Okay, now if you're interested, you can join us online at digitalmarketingclt.com, or find the group on LinkedIn. So we have a landing page that's here, that you can sign into, and we'll be hosting this. This is actually going to be hybrid, so we'll be in person as well as we'll be streaming for those of you who are outside of the greater Charlotte area. And so we'll be meeting tomorrow when we're recording this, which will be what is tomorrow? July 19th at 9 a.m. in TechWorks, which is a incubator, which is a co-working space specifically for technology companies. That's in Belmont, North Carolina. So just about 10 minutes west of Charlotte Douglas Airport. And so great spot to be able to meet at. So it's just off of Highway 85, or just sign into digitalmarketingclt.com and we'll send you a link so that you can join us in the virtual space as well if you're outside of the Charlotte area, just to be able to get a little bit more information about the event. So we're looking forward to seeing you then.